The AI revolution is here, and artificial intelligence is going to impact our everyday lives, from the way that we work, from our commute every single day to our healthcare systems. Everything in this world is going to be impacted by this AI revolution. And this revolution has the same type of potential to have the impact that something like the Industrial Revolution had. So since it's going to impact our everyday lives, today we're going to talk about how the AI revolution can impact your investments. Now, if you don't know what AI is, it stands for artificial intelligence. And this is a big deal right now because on November 30th, 2022, OpenAI just released a new tool called ChatGPT. And ChatGPT is an amazing program where literally this is the first time that artificial intelligence has been released to the public and the public can interact with it. You are literally talking back and forth to a robot. Now, why this matters is it's showing how fast AI is advancing, and AI is moving at a very, very fast rate. And there are two approaches you can take to the acceleration of AI. You can see how is it going to help me in my day-to-day life, or how is it going to hurt me in my day-to-day life? And here at Master Money, we choose to figure out how it's going to help us and help us optimize our day-to-day lives so that we can use it in the future to get better. Now, if you missed our last video, we talked about how AI would impact your money and your personal finance. And now we're going to talk about how it's going to impact your investments. And the first way is portfolio optimization. So most people should be using their risk tolerance to figure out what stocks and bonds they should be buying. If you don't like volatility in the market, then maybe you want to have more bond exposure. If you don't mind that market volatility, then stocks have performed better over time. But you got to figure out what your risk tolerance is and how you can construct a portfolio based on that. But with AI, it's going to give you recommendations to show you exactly what the best portfolio is for your risk tolerance. And it can also take into consideration a number of other things like your financial goals, how fast you want to get to certain points, so that you can take on the necessary risk to get to that point. So putting together a perfect asset allocation is the first way that AI is going to help you. And this is one of the most important things that you can do, because having the right asset allocation is a six-figure decision. If you mess up your asset allocation, then you could be losing out on 6 to 7 figures over the course of your investing career. So this is going to be a major impact on your portfolio. Number 2 is if you invest in individual stocks, AI will be able to help you pick stocks out. Maybe you're a dividend investor and you're looking to find the best dividend stocks out there. You can ask AI, hey, what are the best dividend stocks with a 3% or higher yield that I can use that have increased their dividend over the last 15 years? And it will give you an entire list of these dividend stocks that you can look at and see which ones may fit my criteria. And you can even go deeper and ask AI to scan the 10Ks of these companies and look for key metrics that you want to look for. This is going to save investors so much time. Warren Buffett is famous for reading 500 pages per day to pick his stocks. You don't have to do that anymore. AI can read those pages for you, summarize the important pieces so that you can make your investment decisions that much faster. This is going to revolutionize the way that we pick stocks and probably going to optimize the way we pick stocks. Number 3 is risk management. A lot of big banks are already utilizing AI for risk management. AI is able to monitor specific investments and predict different types of risk. And these can be things like fluctuations or issues within a company's health. So this is another amazing way that will reduce the liability against you by risk management. The next way is by personalized advice. Now, this is one that most investors will be impacted by because AI will be able to give you personalized advice based on your risk tolerance, what your goals are, what you want to do in life, and how you want your dollars to work for you over time, and then find the best investments that suit exactly what you want. This is a really cool way that potentially you can be able to just enter in all the criteria that you're looking for, and AI is going to spit out a bunch of investments that will meet your criteria exactly. And I think this is also a really cool way that we may be able to invest in real estate as well. Imagine going to Zillow or going online and saying, hey, I want this much cash flow. Can you run the numbers for all the properties in this area and tell me which ones actually cash flow at this number? And instantaneously at your fingertips, you can have all the numbers run for real estate and the cash flow at your fingertips. And that's what we may see here in the near future. Automated investing. Now, automated investing is one amazing way to build out your portfolio. We recommend at Master Money that you automate as much as you possibly can when it comes to your investments. Why is this powerful? Because it removes willpower from the equation. You don't have to rely on your willpower to remember to invest those dollars every single month. But there is a drawback, especially when it comes to index funds and ETFs, is a lot of times you can't automatically just invest in those index funds and ETFs outside of something like a 401k. Instead, you have to transfer the money money in automatically, then you have to go in there and actually buy index funds and ETFs. But AI can change this. AI can allow you to fully automate the entire process so that you don't have to go in there and actually buy each individual security every single month. There have been multiple times where I forget to buy my index funds and ETFs, log into my account, and buy those pieces. So I've had to set up systems so that I can remind myself to go do that. AI will solve this problem so you don't have to remember that whatsoever. You can fully automate your entire process, and it will give you personalized recommendations to optimize the way that you spend your money if you want to put more dollars in investments as well. So these are just a few of the amazing ways that AI will impact your investments. Let me know down in the comments below if you can think of any other ways that AI will be impacting the way that you invest your dollars. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell as well, and we will see you on the next video.